Someone give me seeds immediately. A place is a woody pot. I should go into that randomly normal cave.
Hello, air. The challenge is to get to the closest island.
Okay.
The challenge starts in 3, 2, 1.
At the beach. OMG, why did we get the smallest one? I don't care, AC controller. You may not be able to speak, Rubik's Cube. La 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 la. La 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 la. Guys, we gotta land, yay!
Whiteboardy Pot and Cody lost and up for elimination. Type in the comments A, B, or C for the contestant to be out.